Law number 44. Fundamental equation of life. Sum of norms and deviations remains in conservation. Let's talk spirals and systems like the nautilus shell, which grows in a perfect logarithmic spiral, keeping the golden ratio intact all the way. Nature loves a good pattern. The fundamental equation of life isn't your average math. Sometimes 1 plus 1 doesn't just equal 2, it equals 5.2. Why? Because when the right things come together at the right moment, the effect is way bigger than the sum of its parts. That's emergence. This law is about finding the sweet spot between chaos and order. Those golden moments in a system's life where everything clicks. And just like fractals in nature, this kind of scaling is rooted in information flow and structure. Spot the patterns, and you can even predict when things start to fall apart.